The seas are a little angry this morning, so but it's still a beautiful day. Clouds have kind of cleared out. What'd you get for lunch, Terry?
I got the buffalo chicken from the deli. It is delicious. I had it last time.
And chips. I got some soup, some beanie. This is chicken. This is a seafood combination stuff, and then rice pilaf.
And soup.
These are still pretty rough. There you go. That's how high they're going up. We'll roll to the other side. Okay, still rolling to that side. Right here on a rocky ship today.
Yeah.
I'm with
Grace.
Grace. And Grace is a big fan of.
It's the party of two.
Party of two cruising. So are you enjoying your cruise?
I am.
You like this rocking ship today?
You know that part not so much.
Not so much?
Not so much.
It is rocking.
Yeah, nice
All right.
to meet you. Thank you.
All right. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
She already did. Yes.
All right.
Thank you.
You got it.
Bye.
We're gonna go get our gift. You think it'll be the new stuff, or you think it'll be a
It's new
koozie?
stuff, but it's probably not. We'll see.
Probably gonna be a koozie.
I'm
Let you
so
know.
excited because it's still free stuff, and I'm very thankful.
I'm not excited at all, but we're gonna go anyway. Maybe I am excited. It's not koozies. What is it, babe?
We've got something new.
Fanny packs.
So we
Where's
like
your
fanny
pack?
packs. I got fanny packs too in a new can.
The new
Very,
stuff
very
is
nice.
finally out.
Very nice.
Enjoy. Alright, Deepak. He's the best chocolate martini maker on the ship.
That is so nice.
All I get is stripes.
He gets mine. It's so cozy. You know what? I'll just set it right here. Sometimes there's toast on the floor. I'll put it like that.
Thank you, buddy. So if you come on the ship on the Carnival Paradise until, you're probably going home in September now. But if you want a chocolate martini, Deepak is the man.
Guys, this is the place.
Right, so come to the Rotterdam bar at 5 o'clock.
5 o'clock, yeah.
5 o'clock, and then he's out at the Blue Iguana Cantina up on Lido Deck until 5 o'clock. Come get the best ever chocolate martini made famous by Deepak.
Take care, guys. See you soon.
See you on the Lido, right? And in the Rotterdam.
Rotterdam bar. Take care, guys.
Hey, what you got? What you got?
Mussels and spaghetti.
Pini. And I got the dill lemon soup ×2. I'm hungry. All right, Terry got the marinated chicken strips. And I got the pini. What'd you get, love?
I got pork lion with extra rice and beans.
And I also got the pork loin with extra rice. I also got enchiladas.
This is our Facebook page.
Okay, before we go and do another show, we kindly ask everybody has the cellular phone and we put the lights on, please. We're gonna have some show for you. Enjoy. Got yourself. It's show.
cake. And I got a banana split. I know that just shocks you. Hey, my little first time gambler, up $306.50. All right, well, good evening.
Good evening.
We're speeding it up. So we got a sick passenger, so we're heading back. The casinos
really early.
Casinos already closed, 11:30.
Yeah. But
So,
we both did good.
We
won
did
money.
good. She did. First time gambler, and she won $400 and some.
Yeah.
Me, not so much, but
We had a good time. But
Yep,
anyway,
we did.
everything's closing up early.
yep. So we're gonna just go
Head
to
to
bed, and she's gonna go to work in the morning. I'm going there. Next
Yep.
one up, May 15th. We'll be back on the Paradise,
Yeah.
but different itinerary. We'll be going to Jamaica, or Key West, Jamaica, and Grand Cayman. That's a 6-day. So here we. Hopefully, it's a lot smoother than it was yesterday. This ship was all over the place
Rocking
yesterday.
everywhere. It was.
It was.
Very
It was
rough
really
seas.
rough.
Yeah.
All right, so we'll see you then.
Bye.
Bye.